Check it out, everyone. Hold the blend right here and throw it hard at 40 degrees. Wow! Hello YouTube, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you do not have your letter size paper, you can use A4 paper. So first step, let's flatten the paper down. Next step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then unfold the paper. Now let's start from this up edge, fold it to the other side. Press down the paper. Unfold the paper. Flatten it out. Start from the upper edge again. Fold it to the other side. Just make a straight fold. Hold the paper and press it down. On the following step, let's flatten the paper down, flip it over, start from this upper part, fold straight down like this. Adjust it a little bit until it hits to the corner here. Same thing for the other side. This corner hit to this intersection. So let's fold it down a little bit and press the paper down. Press it down. Now unfold the paper, flatten it down. Flip it over. Alright, I'll place the paper like that so I can show you the next step. Let's start from this side, fold straight into the central. Press this upper part of the paper down. Press it down. This is the very basic step, so let's just have done like this. On the following step, let's start from this side of the paper, forward to the other side. Press it down, press this part of the paper down. Now start from this up edge, forward to the center crease. Alright. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Fold this part of the paper backward, this one backward, and this edge to the center crease. Now let me press the paper down. Alright, let's fold this backward. So this is what we have. Look very standard, right? Adjust the paper a little bit. Now, next step, let's flip the paper over. Flip it over. You can see the shape of the plane already. So now let me fold this part toward the other side now. Alright, I'll fold this part of the paper outward. I'll fold it match to this corner. So let's fold straight as much as you can until it hits to that corner as much as you can, right? Match this part to the intersection right here, to this edge, this corner right here, to this edge, not to this corner. It's too much. So as much as you can, push it as much as you can, and then stop. Okay. Now you can fold this part of the paper too. If it doesn't stay nice, fold it and adjust it. Now fold this part of the paper out. Right. Press it down. Same thing, I'll flip the paper over and fold this part toward the other side. I need to adjust it a little bit. Same thing for this side. I'll fold this one out as much as possible. Match to the other side of the paper. And this is what we have. I can fold this backward and adjust the paper so that I can fold toward the other side. See, I'll hold the paper up. Now, this is what we have. And now open the paper. This is what we have. Now guys, adjust it. Place the paper like this. On the following step, I'm going to fold this one backward like this. This one, you can see this here. This here, I fold it to this side. I fold it backward to this side so I can hold the wings. Hold it like this. This edge right here. Alright, same thing for this side. I fold this one toward so I can hold this edge of the blend. Make sure that the edge of the blend is strong, so I have to fold more. Press it down, fold this part of the paper back so I can hold it. Same thing for this side, I need to push this in a little bit further, otherwise it won't stay nice. So I push this in a little bit further. A little bit more. Here we go. Now I can place this below. You see that? Now we finished with both sides of the paper. Let me pull it out. There we go. This is what we have. Same thing for the other side. This looks very, very nice. Okay. Later on, so we can fold this part of the paper out to create the wing. Oh, do not pull it out. Okay. Do not pull it out. If you pull it out, it's really like this. So we have to hold it like that. Here we go. So this is what we have. Let me flip the paper over, and I'll start with this part of the paper. I'll fold straight up. Straight up here. Same thing for the other side. I'll fold straight up. Let's create the upper part of the blend. Alright. So this part of the blend I fold down. Very simple. Same thing for the other side. Fold down like this. Adjust it a little bit. Fold this part of paper backward. And now start from this edge right here. See this upper edge right here? Fold straight down. Straight down, straight down. Adjust it and make the first canner. Okay, make this mini wing. Alright, so I finished the mini wing, and for this backward I have the mini wing right here. I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side, right? I fold this one toward this side so that I can fold this edge backward. Fold like this. Now I can pull this one out. I can hold this part of the paper up, place this down, and just adjust this canner. And this mini wing, I have the two mini wings. It looks very nice. I can flip the paper over. You can see the blend look like this already. It looks nice. Adjust it. Let me see if it stays strong. It looks strong. Now I can hold the paper up, and I press this part of the paper down like this. You see, this is the center of the paper. This center crease. I press this down. Same thing for the other side. Hold up the paper and press this down. Rest this down, and I can press the paper up. This is straight from this corner toward the other corner. Adjust the wings. Same thing for the other side. Flip it over. Start from this edge. First straight up. Very simple, right? Look at the plan. Looks very scary too. Very simple plan. At the end, I'll fold this part of the paper up. You can see this here. That will help you know where you can fold it up. So let me hold the paper down again. Press this down, and I'll fold this part of the paper up. Like this. I'll fold it inward a little bit. Up, perk like this first. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I'll fold straight up. You see? Let's open up. I'll fold straight up here. Fold straight up there. And now I can fold this one backward, so that I can create a stabilizer. That's how the blend will look nice. Same thing for this side, and same thing for this side. Here we go. I can actually push this a little bit further up here. Okay, before I fold it backward. Same thing for this side. I push this a little bit further until I hit to this point right here. You see this edge right here? I push this even further. That's how I can make it look nice. And I can fold this backward to create the stabilizer. Same thing for the other side. Fold down up to create the stabilizer. Okay. Alright, so now let me hold the paper up. For its back, for the wings back. Alright, we finished this one. Got the wings right here. We do the same thing for the other side to create a wing. Here we go. And now look at the stabilizer. you can adjust the stabilizer a little bit so it stays parallel with the central. If it's not, just adjust it a little bit more. Here we go. There we go, guys. So it took me a while to come up with this design because I don't want to cut the paper. Okay everyone, so now you finished the paper airplane. To make it fly, you need to adjust the plane, not just hold the plane right here and then throw it. It's going to fly. So first thing first, let me show you guys how to fix this part of the plane. You can see that I fold it down, I fold it toward the other side as well. Now I can put the center, put it inward. That's why I can make this part of the paper plane is a little bit lighter and create a mini stabilizer at the end, like at the central here. It doesn't affect the plane much, but it will make the plane look nice. You see how that looks really nice. Okay. Other thing, let's fold this part of the plane up a bit. That's why I can ensure that the plane will fly up. So we create the mini stabilizers up here. When you throw the plane, hold it right here and throw slightly. Okay. Do not throw it so hard. You can see the big wings right here. It's make the planes look very, very nice. This side and this side as well. So now this is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys will enjoy making this plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Hopefully I can reach to 100,000. Just kidding. Hopefully I can reach to 1 million subscribers. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.